Class Reptilia. Reptiles are the first true terrestrial vertebrates that laid eggs on land. Reptiles originated from labyrinthodont amphibians. In Carboniferous period, they flourished during the Mesozoic era. Hence the era is known as the Golden Age of Reptiles. Reptiles which survived into the Cenozoic era belong to four orders: Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata, and Crocodilia. Herpetology, where herpetron means creeping animals and logos means knowledge, is the study of the amphibians and the reptiles. The largest living reptile is Crocodilus porosus, the saltwater crocodile. It extends up to 20.6 feet and weighs over 1,900 kilograms. The smallest known reptile is Spherodactylus ariasii, Jaragua sparrow or dwarf gecko. It measures about 16 millimeters in length. Reptilia, general characters. These are poikilotherms. Their body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and a tail. They have pentadactylous limbs, which are absent in snakes. Their digits are clawed. Dry skin comprises of glands like femoral glands. The skin is also scaly. Scales are epidermal in origin, with bony plates called osteoderms under them. Example: crocodilians and some lizards. Their skull is monocondylic and made up of temporal fossae. The lower jaw is made up of 12 bones. Procoelous vertebrae are found. Vertebral column can be divided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal regions. First two cervical vertebrae form the atlas and axis. Interclavicle is associated with the pectoral girdle. Thoracic ribs are attached to the plate belonging to the sternum. Ribs are single-headed in nature. Gastrilla are small rib-like membrane bones seen in the ventral body wall. Coelom is found as pericardial cavity and pleuroperitoneal cavity. Homodont, acrodont, and polyphyodont dentition are observed. In reptiles, gaseous exchange takes place through lungs. However, gaseous exchange occurs through vascular cloacal wall in aquatic turtles. Cutaneous gas exchange is observed in sea turtles and sea snakes. The larynx is not well developed. Heart comprises of 2 atrium and incompletely divided ventricle. Sinus venous is present. Conus arteriosus is absent. Ventricles give rise to pulmonary arch, right and left systemic arches. Hepatic and renal portal systems are present. Erythrocytes are oval and nucleated. Metanephric kidneys are present for excretion. Terrestrial reptiles are uricotilic, and aquatic ones excrete ammonia and urea. Cloaca comprises of 3 chambers, namely coprodium, urodium, and proctodium. The coprodium receives the opening of the large intestine. Urodium receives openings of excretory and genital ducts. Proctodium opens out by the cloacal aperture. The 2 cranial meninges present are dura mater and pia arachnoid membrane. 12 pairs of cranial nerves are observed. There is a presence of tympanic membrane. Middle ear comprises of columella oris, the ossicle. Nictitating membrane is present in reptiles. Jacobson's organs are well developed in snakes and lizards. Copulatory organs are present in many reptiles. Fertilization is internal. Reptiles are mostly oviparous. Some are viviparous or ovoviviparous. Eggs are cladoic and megalithical. Cleavage is meroblastic and discoidal. Development is direct.